Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to create an account on your Hinge dating app easy and quick. So let's start. The first step, just as you see, you need to open your Hinge app. Right now you will find two buttons. Click on create account. Right now here you have to add or write your phone number after selecting your country. Right now click OK here, and they will send you a verification code. After that you have to write it here. As you see right now, they sent me a verification code. I will add it here. And right now, as you see, I have two options. I will click just on create account. So click here. And right now they told you that you have to enter your basic information. Click here, and your first name, for example, I don't know, just I add it randomly. I don't want to use my personal information. Click here, continue, and right now you have to write your email address here. After writing your email address, click here on continue. And right now you have to add your birth date. I will just add it randomly. As I said, I don't want to use my personal information. Click here, click confirm. And right now, if you want to add more detail, click. So after that, you have to choose where you live. For example, I live here. And you have to go to your location. You have to activate it. Or for example, it's optional. I will just click not now, and I will click here. As you see, when I choose my location, right now I will choose my gender. For example, I'm a man, and click here, continue. And what's your success? What's that? I don't know. Prefer stress. Yeah. Click here, continue. And who would you like to date? Woman, of course. Click continue. What type of relationship are you looking for? For example, prefer not to say. Click here. What is your dating intention? Life partner. Click continue. How tall are you? For example, I don't know, just I'm using. What is your for example, I'm this. Don't have children. I don't want children. And right now, where is your hometown? For example, New York, or I don't know. Okay, continue. Workplace. It's optional, as you see. I will just skip it. Also, my job, I will just skip it. School, also skip it. What is the highest level you attend? For example, this, click here. What is your religion and beliefs? For example, I'm a Muslim. Click here. What are your political beliefs? Not political. Do you drink? No. Do you smoke? No. Do you smoke weed? No. And you have to continue all these steps. Do you use drugs? No. And click fit out your profile. Right now you have to add your pictures. It's optional right now. I will just skip it to another time. And click I want. Sure you want to skip? Click yes, I want to skip. And right now I will skip this too. Write your profile answer, and yes, I want to skip, and skip this also, and maybe later, and start sending likes. And right now, guys, my profile, it's creating well, and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye. By the way, you have to sign up right now by the information that you add. So Yeah, that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.